Welcome everyone to my channel again. This is Elidenic Digital Marketing Videos. Now in today's topic I'll be discussing how you can import some products from China and then sell it here in Nigeria. Now these are some of the products you can actually import and sell here in Nigeria. Now you can import phones. Yes, actually possible to import phones. That is why when you have bought my course online, you actually see I discuss how to import phones and the shipping that is actually accurate for phone importation. Now this is due to the fact that battery goods are not actually shipped with goods like clothes, bags and other items that doesn't have battery. Now number two, you can actually import phone memory card. Now one important advantage about phone memory card is the fact that they are not heavy, and so the weight is not actually heavy. You can actually import hundreds of phone memory cards and it won't weigh as much as that of a single or two phones. Now number three, you can import phone cases. Now cases, earpiece, charger, etc. Now these are some of the things you can actually import. Number four, you can actually import laptops. Very cheap laptops compared to the ones we buy here in Africa or in Nigeria precisely. You can actually import laptops. All you just need to do is hover onto the site and click on and type on the search engine laptops or the type of laptop you actually want to buy. If it's a Dell, any product, any brand you want to go into. Now number five, you can actually import laptop accessories like laptop bags, antivirus, flash drives and so many others. Now very actually possible for you to import laptop bags, antivirus and flash drives. Now these are actually cheap in China and you can actually get them at a very affordable price which you can sell here in Nigeria. Now before I continue, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos and like the channel icon, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I release new video. Now number five or number six, you can actually import smartphones, just like I've said before. You can import smartphones. And number seven, you can import bags, all kinds of bag, traveling bag, school bag, children bag and all kinds of bag. You can actually import suits, yes, wedding gowns, suits and so many others. Number nine, you can import ladies sandals, just like I've shown before in my subsequent videos. If you've not watched my subsequent videos on mini importation, do make sure you click on the top right hand corner of the icon where I'll be putting a link or description to some of the videos I've released on importation before. You can actually check the description link below to see some of the videos I have created and how you can start importation. And number nine, you can import lady sandals, male sandals, hair clippers, shoes, belts, computer accessories, flash drive, just like I said before, external DVD drive, ties, wristwatches. Now I actually talk about wristwatches in one of my videos, how you can actually search for these wristwatches, how you can actually check the price and also check the landing cost of each wristwatch. You can check the net worth and the price, and then you check the shipping price of your shipping company and then calculate, and then you know how much you're going to sell each one and how much profit you're going to make from each of those wristwatch you sell. Now you can also sell motor spare parts. You can sell Apple products like iPhone, iPad, iPod, MacBook and so many others. You can also sell designer t-shirts. What this simply means is that you can tag the manufacturer and tell him, okay, I have a certain design and I want you to put this design on your t-shirt, then chat him up on the cost of it. If you actually want to get a full tutorial on this importation of a thing, just don't forget to message me below on my WhatsApp number. I'll be putting down my WhatsApp number in the description, and you can actually join my importation group link there where you see other people who are placing demands on the things we're importing. And you can also import external DVD drive, children clothes, digital cameras, phone batteries, chargers, UK phones, tablet, PC, Android, jewelry, rings, and so many other. This is just a glimpse of how to tell you that many things you can actually import from China, UK, Turkey, Dubai, and many others, and start selling here in Nigeria. This is just a brief glimpse of those who were asking me questions on, can I import this, can I import that, is this acceptable, what are the clearing fees, and so on. Now I'll be showing you when you join or buy my course. I'll be showing you how you can actually place these demands on your own using Alipay. You chat directly when you have the 1688 app in your phone. You chat directly with the manufacturer. You can actually bargain and buy below the minimum quantity that is being shown there. And then how you can actually use Alipay to pay directly to your manufacturer. That simply means you don't need an agent to be able to do that. Now this is just like I've said before, a glimpse just to show you that there are many things you can actually import. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also share this video to others, and don't forget to check the description link below where I'll be putting my contact, some videos I've released on mini importation, and also be putting down the video where I discuss how to import shoes, bags, wristwatches, and how to calculate your landing cost, and how to check the net worth of a product, and so many forth. Thank you.